shaggy. Something that is covered with long, thick, and messy hair or fur. He always looks shaggy when he wakes up. The dog is very shaggy and needs a haircut. Giddy. Feeling very happy, excited, and a little out of control, like you can't think clearly because you are too excited. I was so giddy that I forgot everything else. They were giddy with joy at the party. Giddy. Feeling dizzy or lightheaded. I felt a bit giddy when I stood up too fast. I was giddy for a few minutes after the ride. Creepy. Something or someone that makes you feel afraid, uneasy, or uncomfortable, often because it is strange, weird, or scary. That abandoned house looks really creepy at night. He gave me a creepy smile, and I felt uncomfortable. Chatty. Someone who talks a lot in a friendly or informal way. My neighbor is very chatty and talks all the time. The taxi driver was really chatty on the way to the airport. Cranky. Someone who is cranky is easily annoyed, irritable, or in a bad mood, and can get upset over small things. Mom is a little cranky today, so be careful. I was cranky this morning, but I am better now. Glossy. Shiny and smooth on the surface, something that reflects light or looks polished. Your hair looks really glossy today. That car is shiny and glossy, looks brand new. Catchy. Something that is easy to remember, attractive, or appealing, especially when it comes to music, phrases, slogans, or ideas. That song is really catchy. I can't stop humming it. The advertisement is very catchy and memorable. They chose a catchy name for their startup. Fluffy. Soft, light, and full of air, it is often used for things like pillows, hair, animals, or food that feels soft and puffy. This pillow is so fluffy and comfortable. My dog is so fluffy, I love hugging him. Grubby. Dirty, untidy, or not clean, often used for clothes, hands, or places. Your hands are so grubby, go wash them. This place is a bit grubby, let's go somewhere else. Frosty. Very cold, like weather or temperature. It's frosty out there, my hands are freezing. It's a frosty evening, wear a jacket. Frosty. Unfriendly or cold in behavior, someone acting distant, rude, or not warm. He gave me a frosty look and walked away. Her reply sounded a bit frosty, like she was upset. Greedy. Wanting more and more of something, especially money, food, or power, often in a selfish or unfair way. Don't be greedy, leave some for others. The boss is greedy and only cares about money. Shady. Someone or something that seems dishonest, suspicious, or untrustworthy. This deal seems shady, are you sure it's legal? That website looks shady, don't enter your card details. Chewy. Food that is a little hard or sticky, and needs a lot of chewing. Don't overcook the meat, or it will get too chewy. These candies are really chewy, but delicious. Hasty. Done too quickly, often without thinking carefully. She took a hasty decision and quit her job. That was a hasty judgment. You don't know the full story. Peppy. Full of energy, lively, cheerful, and enthusiastic. The host was very peppy and energetic. This song is really peppy. It makes me want to dance.